Welcome to www.staxi.com. Today's topic, Common Manual Wheelchair Alternative Options for Buyers. In response to some of the undesirable features found on some common wheelchairs, a new manual wheelchair alternative has hit the market. While some common models lack build integrity, security features, and necessary accessories, these new chairs are finding a real place in the market. Consider these options if you're looking for a manual wheelchair alternative. Stability. Wheelchair stability is one of the most important aspects of such a purchase. Unfortunately, for some models, lack of weather resistance, use of weaker materials such as aluminum and vinyl seating, and other shortcomings results in a wheelchair with a lifespan of 1 to 3 years. And other shortcomings results in a wheelchair with a lifespan of 1 to 3 years. A strong steel frame and weather-resistant materials and paint with an undercoating and overcoating represent a couple of ways in which available alternatives are improving the life of a wheelchair. In a potential manual wheelchair purchase, pay attention to the quality, durability, and overall stability of the product. In institutional settings, these aspects are of prime importance for longevity as well. Security. Traditional manual wheelchairs have significant shortcomings in security features. For potential buyers in an institutional setting, anti-theft features are of critical importance. Many traditional chairs suffer from having removable parts, and they fold and collapse for travel. If you do not need such things, it is advised to stay away from these features. They make it much easier to steal a wheelchair by placing it into the trunk of a car. Find models which have the following security features. For instance, a wheelchair which has no removable parts and is not able to bend or fold is a great way to resist theft. To top it off, their unique design makes them easy to spot no matter where they are. Serial numbers and coin locks also represent components which will help keep your chairs in your facility. Safety. In most institutional settings, the transfer of patients and other types of occupants is complicated by traditional wheelchairs. Lifting patients out of bed and bending over while placing them in the chair is difficult for the attendant. A manual brake system represents hazards to the safety of each party. Wheelchairs should incorporate a design which does not require bending and lifting. Look for models which safely allow the occupant to enter and exit the wheelchair from the side. Such models utilize an armrest that can be raised and lowered with ease. Additionally, automatic brake locks are important. Find a model where the brake automatically engages when the handlebar is released. Other considerations. The better the chair, the less time it will spend out of service being repaired. Good warranties ensure that any problems you have with your chair will be addressed quickly. You need your chairs available for use, not languishing in some out-of-the-way storage closet because they're broken. Additionally, these new wheelchairs store beautifully, taking up much less room than any other chair on the market. Stronger, safer, and less prone to theft, these chairs are certainly worthy of consideration. To find out more information on topics like this, please go to www.staxi.com.